Hello everyone, welcome back to the new project idea implementation series video. So in this video we are going to implement a project idea which is known as the unit converter. So in this video we are basically creating a unit converter application which is going to change our unit. Okay, like we have the three inputs here. So as you can see, we have a length, mass and temperature. So I have selected the mass here. So after that, let's say we have to convert our mass from gram to kilogram. So we are just entering here, like we have a 1000 gram. Like when we click on convert button, we are getting the 1 kilogram. And when we select like a 10,000 gram, so it will be converted to the 10 kilogram. So and then after, if we wanted to change the like length here, so we are just creating the meter to kilometer, like kilometer to meter. So once 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter, as we can see. And let's say we have to convert our temperature as well, so Celsius to Fahrenheit. So once we click on convert, we are getting the 33.8 Fahrenheit. So basically what we have to do implement here is we are going to implement the XML file, like how we can create the XML UI, and then after we are going to write some Kotlin logic as well. So in this video series we are going to deep dive in each and every concept such as XML file creation, manifest file, build.gradle file, and all the other topics, all the other important topics. So let's stay with us and let's see how we can create it. So being with us, thank you so much.